YouTube is not by hard work, okay? And it's not luck. YouTube is smart work. How you do it, okay? So that you can beat the algorithm. And in this video, in just 4 minutes, I will show you how I do this with just 36 subscribers and getting 2K views within 24 hours and get almost 95 subscribers with this just videos only. And then it gives me another video virus on my channel here, which gives me another subscribers to make me keep pushing. Okay, and I will show you guys how I do this with just 36 subscribers. So you need to stay and watch these videos to the end so that I don't miss any part in this video. So what I simply do is that when you get started, okay, you need something that you need to do for me in these videos. Like, go and create another two YouTube accounts. Okay, you don't need to post video on the account, just create it. Okay, once you have content idea, the video that you wanted to create, and you create the videos, okay, come to your YouTube channel, then post it, use your tag, your descriptions and everything. Okay, when you post videos on YouTube at first, within the first 3 hours, your analytics will not show anything. Even if people are watching the videos, if you notice, if people are watching the videos, it's just only your views that will count, that will be counting. Okay, your other analytics will not count. How am I going to do this to make my video go viral? One thing about YouTube algorithm I want you guys to know and understand is that when you post videos and the first person that watch the videos, let's say your video is 5 minutes and the person that watch only 20 seconds of the videos, YouTube will not push that videos very well. Okay, it will just show you to another person. When another person see it and didn't click the videos, the third person see it, click it and get back without watching the video, that video will not go viral. It will not go anywhere. It will not go anywhere at all. If people are seeing it and not clicking on the video, it will not go anywhere at all. So how am I going to beat this? Okay, this video go viral within 24 hours of posting it. So what do I do to make this video go viral? I told you, go and create another 2 YouTube accounts that we use for this video tutorial. Once you post your videos, don't do anything on that video. Okay, and then what you need to do from is that after 10 minutes or 20 minutes you post that videos, go switch your account to new account I told you to create. Okay, then go and watch the videos from the beginning to the end. Once you watch the video from the beginning to the end, like and comment. Don't skip any part. Like and comment. YouTube will know that okay, it seems like people like this video, that's why they watched it to the end. You tell the algorithm that this video is good. Okay, they will push out your videos to more people to test if any other peoples will like the video as the first person that watch the videos like it. Once another 2 to 3 peoples continue watching these videos, maybe to the half or to the end, that means that your video is going to go viral. YouTube will recommend your videos. So once you do that, don't switch back to your main channel immediately you watch the video. Just quit that your YouTube and come back after 3 hours that your analytics will be showing. Come back and check if the video is getting more impressions. If you see my engagement here, if you see this video doesn't go viral within 4 days. The first day that I post it, it gets up to like 30 views for the first 2 3 days. Okay, the next 3 days, what I do is that I use this strategy that I'm showing you right now for this video, and the fourth day, this video go viral and give me 18K impressions, which I have 16 click-through rate, impression click-through rate. If you can see on my screen, impression click-through rate, and I have 2.7K views, and it's still going higher because I will still do these things again to make this video rise again, because people are not clicking on it. That's why it doesn't go viral again. Okay, once you do that and you see that your video is getting more impressions and maybe your impression is getting low back, what you need to do is to go to your second account. You know, you have used one account to watch the video before. Go to your second account, then rewatch that video on the second account too, from the beginning to the end, and like, then comment, then don't switch back to your main account immediately. Just leave it. You tell the YouTube algorithm that okay, you find another viewers that like these videos. Okay, so you tell the YouTube to push out your videos to more people, whether they will watch it. Right, that is a strategy that I use to get this, and I have other videos that get views and this, that they all the video I post 2 months ago are getting more views with this strategy that I'm showing you right now. So go and test this and come back to this comment section if it works for you, and I know it works for you because it works for me and I test it every day and it's working. So go and try it and come back and say thank you under the comment section once you've done it and